Exercise 2.4, question number 1, part number 3. In this part, we are given with x and this question. If we have this part, we can simplify it easily, but here is x, so we have to combine it with the question so we can solve it easily. Otherwise, here is product rule. We can see we can solve it by product rule, but we have to do it by substitution method. So if we take x with the root, square and root will be cancelled out and we are left with only x, which is we have in the question. So we are having in root two different things and they are multiplied, so we can write it in single root like this: x square into a plus x over a minus x, or we can multiply it, it will be like this: ax square plus a x cube divided by a minus x. Now this is the simplified quotient. Now we will find dy over dx by substitution method. So first of all, let it equal to y, the inner part in the root, x square plus x cube divided by a minus x is equal to t. Now putting in equation number 1 or y, it will be like this: y is equal to root t. This is equation number 1 and this is 2. Now from 1, solving the one equation, from 1 we get y is equal to root t. So it will be like this: differentiating with respect to t, dy over dt is equal to 1 over 2 root x t, and putting the value of t will be, t is, yes, ax square plus x cube divided by a minus x. Now solving it, it will be like this: under root a minus x divided by 2 root ax square plus x cube. So we get dy over dt. So this is the first answer we get from solving equation number 1. Now we will use the second equation. From 2 we have this equation, we can solve it dt over dx by quotient rule. Quotient rule is denominator square a minus x square, denominator as it is, derivative of numerator. The derivative of numerator will be like this: d ax square plus x cube. Derivative will be the derivative, these two terms are multiplying, so we will use quotient rule here. I mean we will use product rule here. It will be first term as it is, derivative of second term will be 2x plus second term as it is x square, derivative of a will be constant, so it will be 0. So this term whole will be 0 plus derivative of x cube will be 3x2, and we are left out with 2ax plus 3x square. So this is the derivative of the denominator. So we are left with 2ax plus 3x square minus the denominator as it is, ax square plus x cube, and derivative of denominator a minus x, derivative will be, derivative of a will be 0 minus 1. so it will be -1. Now just simplifying it, so we have to multiply this both terms, so it will be like this: a minus x into 2ax plus 3x square. So a multiplied by this term will be 2a square x plus 3ax square minus x multiplied by this term, so it will be minus 2ax square minus plus will be minus 3x cube. So we get this term and we are going to write here, so it will be 2a square x plus 3ax square minus 2ax square minus 3x cube. Okay, then this minus and minus will be turned into plus, and we are left with plus ax square plus x cube divided by a minus x whole square. And we have to just simplify it. So we have ax square, 3ax square minus 2ax square and ax square. 3 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 2, and we have x cube minus 3x cube and plus, which will be equal to minus 2. So we are left with 2a square x plus 2ax square plus minus 2x cube divided by a minus x whole square. This is dt over dx. We have 2x and 2x, so we can take 2x common from here, 2x, and here will be a square plus x ax minus x square and a minus x. So we get this is dt over dx. Now we have to find dy over dx. So dy over dx we have to find using chain rule. Rule will be dy over dx is equal to dy over dt dot dt into dx. Now just putting the values, under root a minus x over 2 under root a x square plus x cube into putting this value 2x into a square plus ax plus minus x square divided by a minus x square. Shift this part into question form like this. We will take out x square from it. It will be like this: x square, and here will be, this is out, and this will be x plus a plus x, and if we multiply it, it will be x, this term. So square root will be cancelled out, and we are left with a minus x with the power 1 over 2, and we have here power plus 2. When it will go in the denominator, it will be minus 2, and here we have 2x, this term will remain same, and then we have 2x, this 2 will remain same, and x square and root will be cancelled, and we are left with 2x with the power or under root a plus x. Okay, so here will be, this term will be cancelled out and we are left with minus 3 over 2. When it will come down, it will be plus 3 over 2. So the answer for this question will be dy over dx is equal to a square, this term, plus ax minus x square divided by these two terms are cancelled and we are left with under root a plus x, and when this power 3 over 2 will come down, it will be positive a minus x with power 3 over 2. And this is the answer of this question.